Hey guys, Kathy Iconis here, and I wanted to show you a quick little tip on formatting Excel files, like the reports that we get out of QBO, and formatting them really quickly to make life easier for us. I don't know if you have this problem, but I swear every time I export anything, I get this crazy little tiny report. So I'm just going to export to Excel here. Just do it to my downloads, whatever. Replace, okay. And open this up and see, I get this tiny little thing and it just drives me crazy, right? So looking at this, our font size is like 14 here. Here it's 8. The font size is 8. Okay, so all I do is I actually come up here, click in the middle. That highlights everything in here. And then I just press the font size down, and that changes everything to the same size. It changed everything to a size of 12 font. Okay, makes my life a whole big old ton easier, right? And then if you double click with all of your columns selected like this, if you double click on an edge right there, it will automatically fit your data into those cells. So see that it's condensed and a little bit easier to deal with. So that is like my big tip. Just really quick to get everything into the same size and able to like actually read this report instead of with a font size of 8. And I am still under 40 for a little bit longer, and this should not be a problem for me yet. I'm just saying. The other thing you can do that to help with formatting a little bit better, let's see, let's go to another example. So if I were to look at this year, right, and did it into months like this and run the report, so I have a lot more columns going on here, right? I'm going to export to Excel. Yay. Open this up. So again, I'm going to select everything, font size down, right? So now everything is a font size of 12. Double click so I get rid of all those hash marks, and I am good to go on being able to read this. Now, this is going to drive me a little bit batty because these cells aren't, or columns are not the same size. So what I can do, what I prefer to do, is I like to go ahead and take off any merging. So this header that they do, I just want to get rid of that. Okay, so I just unclick it. And then the other thing that is already set up in here is for text to be wrapped. So I just come in, and it's not showing that it's selected because it's only certain cells in here that have text wrapping on them. It bugs me. I really don't like it. So I just click wrap text. Now that's going to wrap everything, right? I've selected them all to be wrapped, but that allows me to unselect it, and now everything is unwrapped, and it makes life so much easier. Okay, so now I have a nice header column right here, right? And then I can select all of these columns and then pull it to the same size as this, right? And that makes all of them the same width across. And I feel like it's so much more professional to look at. So those are my quick tips on just making life easier for you to view these Excel files that come out of QBO. Thanks, guys. I hope this really helps. Leave me some comments if it does. Okay, see ya.